Earth, our planet. Europe, Poland, a member of the European Union since 2004. Poland is one of the largest manufacturers of windows and doors in the community. Big factories. Our manufacturers generate over 20% of the entire export in the community. High quality.
Actually, this is a great solution. Thanks to this, we can provide higher quality of our products.
Each product exported from Poland is made thanks to the talent of Polish workers and the innovations of Polish companies.
This solution will definitely surprise the market.
Innovations.
You have prepared the innovative project that will revolutionize the Polish market.
Quality control.
We must be certain that they pass all the tests.
We give our clients support on every stage of cooperation.
Customer service.
Thanks to your commitment, we are able to meet the requirements of our customers.
Gentlemen, this product, this solution, will surely surprise the market. Thanks for your job.
Of course, the delivery will reach you tomorrow.
Logistics.
Yes, certainly. We confirm delivery. Our windows are already on their way to you.
Our transport will reach you within 2 days.
In the last 7 years, over 65 million windows and doors have been exported from Poland.